Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to give you a tour of this 4007 G2 Rogue Armored Toy Hauler. It's kind of a mouthful, but this thing is loaded with features. It actually comes out weighing at 13,174 pounds with a tip-to-tip length of 45 feet 4 inches. So this thing is pretty huge. Starting with the outside first, you got your pin box here at the very front. Just underneath, you have some storage access. You also can access it from the pass-through storage as well. A spot for your battery, and then you honestly could use that for some additional storage too. Of course, your generator. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And then just next to that is the main portion of your pass-through storage, or what you guys would normally see. But the fact that you have a front entrance into your pass-through storage is pretty awesome too. And then you have latches so you can tie things down if you have some other items that you want to bring. Worried about it bouncing around everywhere or breaking, you can just tie it down with this latches. 10-gallon water heater, Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and you also have an LP quick connect right there. A humongous power awning. You actually have 2 of them, but it pretty much equals out to one giant power awning to relax underneath. You also have an outside kitchen with an ice maker, so that's pretty cool. A kind of random cubby storage. I don't know what you would put there, but you have an outlet if you need it. Already have a trash can here as well. Cutting board that is removable, and then a mini fridge. Solid steps at your main entrance with the grab handle for some extra stability getting in. And then the doors into your camper on your garage door and your main door is mirrored. So I just think it's something that's different. It's glass material, but it looks great. You also have 6-point auto leveling, and these are G-rated tires. Power on the outside as well with a bracket, so you can hang a TV up if you would like. And it's nicely protected underneath your power awning. And there's the garage entrance. Leash latch. So this is just another one of those brackets that you saw that you tie down your items with. They just put it on the side so you can hook your pet's leash up to there if you would like. And then here is our garage entrance. Love the decal on the back. It's almost like a Spartan gladiator helmet. Looks pretty cool. And then you also have a backup camera. Side ladder, so you can climb up there and keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. And then you even have a fueling station, so if you happen to bring toys that need gasoline, you can easily use this to fill it up. And then you have 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side. And that about covers the outside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so starting all the way at the front and working our way towards the back, we have our master bed. A king-size mattress that does have a power adjustable capability. So if it's really hard for you to get out of bed, you can just use the remote and be able to lift yourself up out of bed. Pretty cool. Nightstands are on both sides. You have kind of a shelving nightstand there on the right. The one on the left is a little bit larger. This one has a couple drawers for some extra storage underneath, and you have power on both sides as well, so you can charge your electronics while you're sleeping. Really pretty light pendants too, and you also have the reading lights, so you can kind of adjust it if you're wanting to read just before you go to bed. Some cabinet storage up above, and then right across from me you have a spot for a TV here in your bedroom. And then just behind me, it kind of leads into your hallway. You have all of this dedicated to your closet storage. So it's quite a bit, actually. Built-in clothes rack. 6 drawers down below. And then you have this countertop space. You can use it for decorations, maybe make into some sort of vanity. Power as well, so you can plug in hairdryer, things like that. And then I'll quickly show you this. It's actually pretty tall too, so you can fit taller clothes in there. You have a barn-style sliding door for that privacy leading into your bedroom, and you also have your own entrance into the bathroom. Again, another barn-style sliding door. Coming in here, we have our porcelain foot flush toilet, and you actually have quite a bit of leg space, so you don't have to worry about hitting your knees while you're doing your business. More storage for all of your towels and linens. And then we have our stainless steel rounded out sink. Some more storage down below, power, and of course the medicine cabinet. And then I also love this shower. You have all of these jets flying out everywhere. It's just something that's cool. You normally just have your one shower head, but here you have this and then the removable shower head. So coming out through the main bathroom entrance into the, I guess, the main entertaining portion of our camper, we have our gorgeous white countertopped kitchen, and these are solid surface countertops. All of the storage down below. 3-burner top stove with that glass cover, and then there is your oven. I like that this is black too, so it kind of blends in with all the darker features. Mimicked subway style tile all throughout, and you have power and USB ports pretty much everywhere to charge electronics or plug in coffee makers, air fryers, blenders, things like that, as well as really tall cabinets. And then just above your stovetop, you have your 30-inch residential size microwave. And this honestly just looks really different too. I like the buttons. I think it's kind of like not touch screen, but there's no actual button to push. It's really smooth and one completely leveled out surface. And then you pull here and it just looks pretty cool. So this extends out. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. And then we have our sink. This is a farmhouse blackened colored sink. It matches all of your other appliances and it looks great. And again, love the sink covers. These are my favorite. When it matches with your countertop, it all goes together. Black matte faucet sink as well. And you even have a hand sanitizing station for your dish soap. And then across the way, we have our refrigerator. And this is also something that's different. So here on the left, you have a couple shelves with some natural wood in there, and you can place produce and other snacks in there. So instead of standing in front of the refrigerator with it wide open, figuring out what you want to eat, you can just easily look through there and figure it out. And there's the other part of our fridge, and then your freezer down below. Have a pantry storage compartment as well. Love that it is labeled pantry too. But you can easily use this as living room storage if you would like, or just keep using it as that pantry storage. And then into our living room area. Love that it is completely different from your normal toy hauler floor plan. To my right, you have your theater reclining seats. The outside seats have armrests and built-in cup holders. They also have accent lights, heating, and massage elements. And you even have the zebra style blinds, which look pretty cool. A lot of people love them. Across from there, you have your half booth dinette. Same matching tabletop as your counters, so solid surface, really nice. And power outlets and USB ports everywhere again. Additional countertop space for some decorations. And this is where you can access your outside and inside speakers. More storage. And then you have a perfect view of your TV from your theater seats, from your booth dinette, and even from your kitchen. And then across from your booth dinette, you have your electric fireplace. And this actually kicks off some heat. So if you are into early or late season camping, you can take advantage of that, or even just turn on the really pretty lights. And then coming into our 14-foot 6-inch garage. This thing is massive. Latches are everywhere, so you can tie down anything that you are wanting to bring. And then check this out. There's no limitations on the flooring of this washroom, bathroom, whatever you want to call it. So it's kind of like a free floating wall door, but you can also have it put away too if you would like. Latch it when you are in transit. I don't know, it's just something that's really cool. But it is an additional bathroom with your porcelain foot flush toilet, and then your sink. Nice window, of course. Power if you need it. And then just next to that, you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit. Tinted glass door leading into your garage. And then looking up above, you have a mid-bunk in this camper for any kiddos or friends wanting to come stay with you. And then just behind me, you have the typical sofa slash dinette slash bed that can be folded down into that position. You can really use it for hanging out in this garage space, getting a nice view, or even just spending time with your family. And then just up above, instead of an electric bed, It's a manual pull down bed, so you can also use that for some additional sleeping space. Same thing with this down below. And then your ramp also converts into a patio when you unlatch your cables to it. And it does come with this fenced area that it is netted. It's also on wheels, so you can move it out and be able to relax on your patio door and not have to worry about falling off. And you even have some solid steps so that you can be able to climb up there without having to walk all the way through your garage to get to your patio. So that was a lot of information. I hope I covered it all. If you have any sort of questions or concerns about this unit, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.